What is going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Fareed, and in today's video I want to highlight the latest developments for the Paribus protocol. If this is your first time hearing about Paribus, they're a decentralized lending and borrowing platform that was initially built on Ethereum. However, they'll be migrating to Cardano, and they specialize in NFTs and synthetic assets. The Paribus platform will allow for lenders to provide liquidity into a liquidity pool for a given asset in exchange for trading fees and interest, while at the same time allowing for borrowers on the platform the ability to tap into the liquidity that their NFTs and synthetic assets hold. In today's video, I want to highlight some general development updates when it comes to the Paribus protocol, as well as where the team stands when it comes to the testing of their MVP. I also want to talk about the upcoming Cardano migration of the protocol, and then towards the end of the video, I want to wrap up by highlighting some updates surrounding the upcoming Paribus Ambassador program. Before we get started, I do want to give you guys a quick reminder that I have a growing playlist dedicated to the Paribus protocol, and so if this type of content interests you, make sure to access that playlist using the link in the top right hand corner of this video. I also want to highlight that Paribus does have an official Telegram group, as well as a newly launched Discord server. And so if you're looking to stay up to date when it comes to Paribus, I highly recommend joining both of these platforms. On top of that, the team does host a bi-weekly Twitter space in which some of the members from the team give the community updates about the development of the protocol. Jumping into general updates of the Paribus protocol, the team did confirm that they're now working with an external marketing company to raise brand awareness surrounding Paribus, as well as search engine optimization around the brand. I think this is a huge step for Paribus. Not only is it going to give the project more credibility, it's also going to help the content that the Paribus team produces get out in front of more people. On top of that, the Paribus team is actively working on their NFT liquidation model, and they also confirmed in their last Twitter Spaces that they're going to be having an internal demo with the team, showcasing some of the features related to this particular functionality. If you're not familiar with what the NFT liquidation model is, let me quickly explain. As I mentioned before, Paribus is a platform that will allow for NFT holders to tap into the liquidity that their NFTs hold. And so let's say, as an example, that I put up my NFT as collateral on the platform in exchange for a loan in ADA. However, if the price of my particular NFT that I put up as collateral drops below a certain level, there is the possibility that that NFT could get liquidated. Simply put, this means that the NFT could be sold on the open market in order to recuperate any of the remaining value in the asset. In order to avoid a potential liquidation, you'll have to add more value to your collateral position. And this is going to function the same way for NFTs as well as synthetic assets on the Paribus platform. Moving along, the team did also confirm that they're actively working to update some of the user interfaces when it comes to NFT management on the platform, and at the time of shooting this video, the active testing of their beta is still ongoing. However, the team has yet to confirm an official launch date for their MVP. Next, I want to talk about the migration of the Paribus protocol to the Cardano blockchain. As I've mentioned in my previous videos covering Paribus, the protocol initially launched on the Ethereum blockchain, which is an Ethereum or ERC20 compatible blockchain. Now, since then, they have confirmed that they do plan on migrating to the Cardano blockchain as a Cardano native application. Understanding that, the team has yet to give a specific date as to when they'll actually be beginning the process of migrating to the Cardano blockchain. However, they did state that they do plan on launching a Cardano native token within the next 2 months. On top of that, the Paribus team has landed a huge partnership with CFUND. And if you're not familiar with CFUND, they're a Cardano specific organization investing in brand new projects on the blockchain. CFUND is a crypto native hedge fund managed by Wave Financial in partnership with IOG or Input Output Global, which is the team building Cardano. The fund employs an early stage venture strategy and invests in innovative technology companies developing applications, businesses, and products being deployed on Cardano. Similar to what I mentioned before about the marketing improvements of the Paribus protocol, I think that their recent partnership with CFUND is going to be huge towards boosting speed, scale, and adoption of the Paribus platform. If you're looking to find out more about CFUND and all of the services that they currently offer, I've made sure to leave a link down in the description below to their official website. That's going to wrap it up for updates on the migration of the PBX protocol to the Cardano blockchain. Next, I want to highlight their upcoming Paribus Ambassador program. If you've never heard of the Paribus Ambassador program before, this is going to be an opportunity for members in the community to give back to the Paribus protocol in the form of managing the Discord and Telegram servers, translating different articles and blog posts, as well as creating videos and other content to share on social media, all in exchange for the PBX token, as well as other benefits on their platform. Ambassadors are classified as community members who want to have a more active role in spreading awareness of Paribus. If you have a passion for Paribus and you'd like to apply to become an ambassador, you can still do so. All you have to do is fill out a Google survey stating what you can contribute and what your strengths are for the Paribus protocol. On top of that, I'll leave the link to the official Google form down in the description below. And at the time of shooting this video, the team has yet to confirm the first round of participants within the Ambassador program. However, in the latest Twitter space, they did confirm that in the month of September, they do plan on launching the Ambassador program. That's going to wrap it up for today's video when it comes to general developments surrounding the Paribus protocol. If you guys appreciate this kind of content, then make sure to tap that like button. It's going to help to get this content out to other members within the Cardano community. If it's your first time visiting the channel, then I highly recommend that you consider subscribing. And then if you guys have any questions or comments, then make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video.